Welcome to Maps.video example 1. We will be sending you some emails containing a link to a screenshot video to watch and a GoPro video to download and add to Maps.video. Be sure to look out for these emails as they will show you exactly how Maps.video works and your opportunity to try Maps.video free. So let's start with clicking the big red button below this video to download the GoPro video featured in this video. Once the file is downloaded, you will need to extract the video from the zip. Then scroll down and choose a Maps.video plan and add your details taking advantage of the free trial. We want you to be completely satisfied with Maps.video, so if it doesn't end up fulfilling your needs, just click the link anytime to cancel the trial before the free days are up. Saying that, though, we definitely think you are going to love Maps.video. Okay, so once you have started the trial, you will arrive at the map page where all the action happens. The latest GoPro cameras only record video in the new HEVC codec. Some Microsoft Windows computers don't have the codec pre-installed. If you are on a Windows PC, click this link for instructions, as the GoPro video we are adding may not play without it. We are going to add the video we downloaded previously by clicking the Add Video Route button. Maps.video works best with GoPro Hero and GoPro Max cameras, as they have a built-in GPS receiver, and this means the videos can be mapped with Maps.video by extracting the GPS data from the videos. Note the Hero 12 and the Mini GoPros don't have a GPS, so don't work with Maps.video. Back at Maps.video, click the first red rectangle on the left and browse to the video we extracted previously in the Downloads folder. See the orange progress bar? This is actually the GPS data being extracted, not the video being uploaded. No videos get uploaded to Maps.video servers. Unless using the YouTube option, which we don't recommend, the videos will always be loaded locally from your computer. This keeps your videos completely private, even from us. Locally loaded video eliminates the cost associated with video streaming and storage in the cloud and allows you to view the original quality video without any extra compression or buffering. Streaming is great for a Netflix film, but for infrastructure videos it is extremely costly, and Maps.video locally loaded video eliminates all those streaming costs and is the most cost-effective and brilliant way to view geolocated infrastructure videos. If you like, you can upload your videos and share them in Microsoft SharePoint Online. You can sign up for their plan, and for only a few dollars a month, you get 1 terabyte of storage. This is enough for several hundred videos and is an extremely cost-effective solution. Returning to Maps.video, you can see a preview of the video GPS track in orange and the video bottom right. You can zoom and pan the map to check the GPS quality. If you are happy, click the Add Details and Finish button. Then click Add Video to Map, and that video's GPS data will be added to the map and your video ready to play. You will see that each video has a unique URL in the browser. You can bookmark this link or click the share button and copy the URL and send to a team member. For the team member to view the link, they will need to be set up as a team member with the team subscription option. Next time you load this bookmark or refresh the map, you will need to click the Browse button and select your videos every time. It is recommended to keep all your videos in the same folder and select all of them each time you click Browse. That way, you can click the video marker pins and GPS lines, and the videos will change seamlessly and you won't get confused. Play the video and watch how the red marker shows the current position in the video. You can click the hand button and the map will freeze, allowing you to pan the map. Click the video route line to go to that spot in the video. Play the video again. If you see something interesting in the video, use the mouse wheel over the map to pause the video. Scroll the mouse wheel back and forth to view the point of interest. This video was recorded before this road was resurfaced with new asphalt. As you can see, the road is in a bad condition. With Maps.video subscription and GoPro Hero camera, you can record before and after geolocated videos of work done in roads, such as utility, restoration, and resurfacing works. The geolocated videos will provide undeniable proof of work completed that you can use if necessary to prove you did the work to required standards. Videos can be recorded at key predetermined points in time on Maps.video and will significantly enhance your project oversight, transparency, record keeping, and result in restoration claims avoidance. Major benefits include stakeholder communication via viewing of geospatially accurate data, enhanced accuracy due to ability to search videos by latitude and longitude, ability to take time-stamped still photos from specific geospatial point of interest, increased efficiency in viewing construction process captured video graphically. Utilizing Maps.video, you can ensure comprehensive, precise, and efficient documentation viewing of the varied specified capture point videography. It will foster better communication, enhanced oversight, and streamlined project management. Going back to the video, we have a point of interest lined up, so now click the yellow Snap Photo button. and the current video frame is extracted and downloads as 2 photos. Make sure to allow multiple file downloads if the browser asks your permission. One photo is a full resolution photo, and the other a smaller size useful for sending as an email attachment. You will see that each photo is time-stamped with the date and time at that point in the video when the video was recorded, plus the latitude and longitude coordinate position of the extracted photo. This is a very useful feature as the photos demonstrate work done at a certain geographic location and a certain point in time, and can be given to stakeholders or members of the public to show before and after proof of work completed to required standards. With optional setup, you can also include your company logo in the photo for a professional look. Now you can click the yellow photo pin and click the Browse button to select all the photos. You will see the selected photo loads in the interface. It is recommended to keep all the extracted photos in the same folder, perhaps just in Downloads, and select everything in the folder when browsing for the photos. You can then click the yellow photo pins and load each photo seamlessly. There is also an option to upload the photos to a cloud bucket hosting such as Amazon AWS S3. You can then put the bucket root URL in the input, and if set up correctly, load the photo point of interest that way. Another very useful feature is you can click this copy button in the bottom right corner, and the current latitude, longitude coordinates of the red video position marker are copied to the clipboard. The benefit is you can then paste these in documents and also paste them in this input here. Click Go and the map will go to that position with a green position marker dropped. If there are any video routes there, just click that to see that point in the video. The map is also searchable by street location. Type a location and click the suggestion and you see the map goes to that spot. That's enough for today. Thanks for watching. We covered a lot of concepts in today's video. Be sure to watch the video again and follow along yourself with the downloaded GoPro video by starting a trial. Tomorrow we will be adding the After Asphalt resurfacing video, so be sure to look out for the email arriving in either your inbox, spam, or promotions inbox tomorrow. See you there tomorrow and enjoy the rest of your day.